Hello and welcome to R&D Extra, where adventure and discovery await around every corner. If you're already enjoying this channel, kindly hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all our latest videos. As you know, your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to share more incredible content with you. Today we embark on a virtual expedition through the breathtaking county of Kericho in Kenya, where every turn reveals a new chapter of awe-inspiring beauty. From lush green landscapes to the vibrant culture of its people, Kenya is a tapestry of natural wonders waiting to be explored. As we stay on this journey, our focus will be on one of Kenya's hidden gems, a county renowned for its pristine roads that weave through some of the most picturesque scenery in the country. Join us as we traverse these smooth highways, each mile promising a new vista that will leave you spellbound. The journey begins with the scenic setting of the tea estate, where emerald green tea bushes stretch as far as the eye can see, gently swaying in the breeze. The estate is ensconced in a tranquil ambience, with mist-kissed mountains looming in the distance and a symphony of bird songs filling the air. As visitors traverse the winding pathways, they are greeted by the fragrance of fresh tea leaves and the sight of skilled workers meticulously tending to the plants. At the heart of every tea estate lies a rich tapestry of heritage and tradition. From the ancient rituals of tea cultivation to the intricacies of tea processing, every aspect of production is steeped in history and reverence. Visitors have the opportunity to witness firsthand the time-honored techniques passed down through generations, from plucking the delicate tea leaves to hand-rolling them with precision and care. Stretching as far as the eye can see, neat rows of tea bushes blanket the undulating terrain, their vibrant green hues contrasting against the azure sky above. Each bush, meticulously tended to by skilled hands, is a testament to the dedication and craftsmanship that define the art of tea cultivation. Wandering along the winding paths that meander through the estate, one is enveloped by a sense of serenity and tranquility. Towering shade trees provide respite from the midday sun, their lush canopies casting dappled shadows upon the verdant carpet below. The air is alive with the melodious symphony of nature, the gentle rustle of leaves, the cheerful chirping of birds, and the soothing murmur of a nearby stream. In this tranquil haven, where the rhythms of nature reign supreme and the passage of time is marked by the changing seasons, one finds solace amidst the chaos of the modern world. Here, amidst the rolling hills and verdant valleys of the tea estates, the timeless allure of tea cultivation is celebrated in all its splendor, offering a glimpse into a bygone era of elegance, refinement, and unparalleled natural beauty.
When the world is sound asleep, something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take.
This picturesque route, nestled in the heart of a tea-growing region, beckons travelers with promises of scenic beauty and tranquil serenity where the air is crisp and filled with the earthy aroma of freshly brewed tea. Tall trees line the roadside, their branches swaying gently in the breeze as if welcoming visitors to this tranquil haven. The road is well maintained, winding its way gracefully through the undulating terrain. As the car navigates each bend and curve, the landscape unfolds like a painting, revealing acres of tea estates carpeting the hillsides in vibrant shades of green. Workers can be seen dotting the fields, their colorful attire standing out against the sea of tea bushes as they carefully tend to the delicate leaves. Occasional clusters of quaint cottages peek out from amidst the foliage, their roofs adorned with terracotta tiles adding a rustic charm to the surroundings. Smoke lazily curls from chimneys, signaling the start of another day in the lives of those who call these tea estates home. The road meanders its way uphill, offering breathtaking vistas at every turn. A patchwork of emerald hues stretches out as far as the eye can see, interrupted only by the occasional splashes of color from blooming flowers and fluttering butterflies. The gentle hum of insects fills the air, accompanied by the distant chirping of birds hidden among the branches. A sense of peace envelopes the traveler, casting aside the worries of the outside world and inviting them to immerse themselves fully in the beauty of nature. At intervals along the route, small tea stalls appear, offering weary travelers a chance to rest and rejuvenate. Here, they can savor steaming cups of freshly brewed tea, served piping hot in delicate porcelain cups. The taste is exquisite, a symphony of flavors dancing across the palate and leaving behind a lingering sweetness. And so, as the passage through the tea estates comes to an end, travelers find themselves reluctant to leave this idyllic paradise behind. For in this hidden corner of the world, amidst the tea estates and rolling hills, they have found not just a road, but a pathway to beauty, serenity, and the simple joys of life.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Nestled away from the sprawling tea estates that line the highways, lies the quaint town of Chapieni. Tucked amidst rolling hills and lush greenery, Chapieni exudes an old-world charm that captivates visitors from the moment they arrive. As one enters the town, the first thing that strikes them is the peaceful ambience that permeates the air. Unlike the hustle and bustle of city life, Chapieni moves at its own leisurely pace, with locals going about their daily routines with a sense of ease and contentment. Away from the main thoroughfare, narrow lanes wind their way through the town, leading to hidden gems waiting to be discovered. A stroll down these cobblestone streets reveals hidden gardens, tucked-away art galleries, and quaint bed and breakfasts that offer a glimpse into the town's rich history and heritage. Nature lovers will find plenty to explore in and around Chapieni. Trails meander through the surrounding hills, offering stunning views of the countryside and opportunities for birdwatching and wildlife spotting. The nearby Mau Forest, a cascading waterfall tucked away in a secluded corner of the forest, is a favorite spot for picnics and leisurely hikes. Despite its small size, Chapieni is a town brimming with community spirit and cultural richness. Throughout the year, residents come together to celebrate local festivals and events, showcasing the town's vibrant art scene and close-knit community bonds. For those seeking refuge from the chaos of the outside world, Chapieni offers a welcome retreat, where time seems to stand still and the worries of the day melt away. In this idyllic haven away from the tea estates along the highway, visitors find not just a town, but a home away from home. This highway is no ordinary road, it is a pathway that winds through lush tea estates and sleepy village towns, offering glimpses of life in its simplest and most serene form. As one ventures further along this highway, leaving behind the comforting familiarity of civilization, a sense of isolation begins to envelop the traveler. The bustling activity of the towns fades into the distance, replaced by the quiet solitude of the countryside. The road stretches out ahead, bordered by fields of verdant natural and artificial bushes that sway gently in the breeze. The air is filled with the sweet fragrance of freshly foliaged leaves, mingling with the earthy scent of the surrounding forest. The only sound is the rhythmic hum of tires against pavement, punctuated by the occasional chirping of birds and rustling of leaves. As the miles pass by, the landscape gradually changes. The tea estates give way to dense forests teeming with life. Towering trees rise up to meet the sky, their branches intertwined like fingers reaching for the heavens. Sunlight filters through the canopy above, dappling the forest floor in a mosaic of light and shadow. The air is cool and damp, heavy with the scent of damp earth and decaying foliage. Despite the sense of isolation, there is a certain beauty to be found in this solitude. The road becomes a ribbon of asphalt cutting through the heart of nature, offering a glimpse into a world untouched by the hands of man. With each passing mile, the traveler feels a deepening connection to the land, a sense of belonging that transcends words. But it is not just the natural beauty that captivates the traveler, it is the sense of mystery that hangs in the air like a thick fog. There is a feeling that there are secrets hidden just beyond the trees, waiting to be discovered by those brave enough to seek them out. Perhaps it is the allure of the unknown that draws the traveler ever onward, deeper into the heart of the wilderness. It is here, in the midst of this natural splendor, that the traveler encounters the first signs of civilization since leaving the village towns behind. As the road stretches out ahead, the traveler is once again enveloped by the solitude of the countryside. The highway winds its way through valleys and over hills, each bend in the road revealing a new vista more breathtaking than the last. As the journey along the lonely highway draws to a close, travelers find themselves reflecting on the revelations of nature that have unfolded before them. They have witnessed the beauty and solitude of the countryside, the majesty of the natural world, and the untamed wilderness that lies just beyond their reach. In the stillness of the highway, they find solace and peace, knowing that they have been touched by something greater than themselves. The now lonely highway stands as a testament to the enduring power of nature to inspire and captivate the human spirit. For those who dare to venture along its solitary path, it offers not only a journey through the countryside but a voyage of self-discovery and enlightenment. As travelers bid farewell to the highway and continue on their respective paths, they carry with them the memories of their journey and the revelations of nature that have forever changed them. As you come with me to the end of this journey, kindly don't forget to share this video and subscribe in order to enjoy the next video dropping soon. Thank you, bye and see you in my next video.